Hi everyone, welcome to another card share. Today we're using two stamp sets from Fawn, the A Bug's Deal and Hey Lady. And Hey Lady is the one that you see on the screen now, the mini set. I used the critters from A Bug Deal, and I'm going to stamp all my images using Simon Says black ink. And we're going to color them up and put our card together. So I hope you like, and here we go. I started by stamping all the images that I'm going to use in my card. A bunch of the leaves because I'm creating sort of wreath, and a bunch of the insects and magnifying glass. And I'm using Copics to color my images, and I use a bunch of greens. I was trying to see which color looked good together, and it was driving me crazy, but I think they came out pretty good. So I'm coloring all my images and fussy cut them as usual, and then we put the card together. I use this paper pad, Let Your Soul Bloom, and it has such pretty papers in it. And I cut out the background of my card using that paper pad. And I'm going to show you the die set that I used at the end. It's actually from Fawn. And as you can see, I'm going to glue my leaves around the shape of a wreath. Then I punch a hole in the center of my wreath, and I cut out a little frame, flower frame, using a die set from Fawn. And then I attach my magnifying glass with a little silver bride in the middle. And I'm going to stamp all the images that I colored and cut out. I'm stamping them on the leaves so I can get their legs and their antennas and stuff. And then I'm going to glue the colored portion of the critter on top of that stamped image. So at this point, I've finished stamping all my images, and I'm adding glue and adding the body of each of the critters. And they are so cute and small. And I usually have fun doing my fussy cutting. I seldom buy dies. I'm coordinating dies. I prefer to buy the standalone dies that do other things other than with the stamp. So I would color my images, and I will sit and just fussy cut everything out until I'm done. So then I glue all the colored portions of the critter to the outline I stamped, and now my caterpillar has his legs and his antenna. The butterfly has its antenna, if that's what it's called. The little ladybug has its legs, and so on. Then I add my background to a green card base, and then as you can see, I add the sentiment that says "Find happiness in the little things" from the same stamp set, and I added one of the bugs in the inside of the card with a leaf, well, at least a couple of the bugs, and colored them, and that's it for the inside of the card. So the die set that was used to cut my background is from Fawn. Like I said, it's called the Outside In Stitched Scalloped Rectangle Stackable Die Set. Say that 10 times fast. And this is my card. As you can see, the little magnifying glass moves around the card and magnifies my little bugs on the leaves. And that's it. And I'm just gonna share some of the pretty papers in the paper pad. I love this paper pad a lot because I love flowers and stuff like that. And I'm just giving you a glimpse of some of the papers inside. And there's one paper inside that I'm just going to make a card with it. I just love the way it looks. So that's it for my card for today. I want to thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.